Cold drinks are officially on the menu, and an Espresso Shakerato is a light, invigorating twist on a classic Shakerato. As with any coffee style, always use freshly roasted beans, which is essential for getting the full flavor potential. Select Espresso Shakerato from the drinks menu. You'll see a handy recipe card that displays the recommended ingredients. After grinding, insert your portafilter into the grouphead. Using a sage cocktail shaker is an ideal way to make an espresso martini. However, if you don't have one, start with a normal glass, placing it under the portafilter. Brew a double shot of espresso and wait for extraction to complete. If you're using a generic shaker, now is the time to transfer your espresso. Next, fill the shaker 3/4 full with ice. Add 10 ml of sugar syrup and a squeeze of lemon. Secure the lid firmly and shake vigorously before serving into a glass with ice. Garnish with grated nutmeg to serve. Now, all you need to do is enjoy. Experience cafe-quality cold drinks made easy with Sage.